This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Versatile floor plan, fresh paint and new flooring throughout the spacious 5 bedrooms/2 bath ranch. Updated kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, living room with fireplace, large utility room, and family room. Floor plan offers lots of possibilities for multi-generational living under one roof. Attached garage with new door, new roof, carport, and large backyard. Convenient to bases, I-664, and shipyards. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.